Hello, this is Mr. Rouse. I'm back for math. Woohoo! 3.5 today. Today we're multiplying with regrouping. You can kind of see that up there. But we are multiplying with regrouping numbers. Let's look at this story problem to start out. I guess I could finish my 5. Let's look at this story problem. By 1914, Henry Ford has streamlined his assembling line to make a Model T car in how long? Yes, 93 minutes. So to make one car, it takes them 93 minutes. How many minutes did it take to make 25? So they want to know if it takes 93 for one car, how many would it take for 25? So what are we going to do to figure out this? Well, we're going to times. Now, you can estimate, and I'm not going to make your kids estimate in every lesson, but as you see here, they did estimate. They took that 9, and they looked at the 3, and the 3 is between 1 through 4, so it stayed the same. So it became the 90, as you see right there. And then over here, the 5 is in that 5 to 9, so the 2 became a 3 and it became a 0. It times them together and that's what you got. So, now to do with regrouping, there's a couple things that I've had kids do in the past, okay? And your kids might not have to do it, it might help to start out with, but I usually have my kids get rid of this 2 and stick it off on the side, because now it's something they're familiar with. So now I'm just going to do the ones. 3 times 5 is, good, 15. And now it's a problem really from Unit 2. 9 times 5 plus 1. Remember, you don't add it first and then times. So 9 times 5 is 45 plus 1, 46. Okay, now I'm going to bring this 2 back. Actually, let's do this. I'm going to bring that 2. And I even told kids, you can get rid of that 5. Because now it's a 1 digit again. So, now I'm going to times my 1s by my 10s, but it's in my 10s place. Okay, so I need to bring a 0 down. So 3 times 2 is 6. 9 and... Sorry, I didn't even do it. I always tell my kids, get rid of your carries, because it will mess you up this go around. So 9 times 2 is 18. Now what do? We add. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 6 is 12. Good, bring down your 2. Carry your 1. 4 plus 1 plus 8 is 13. Carry, and you get 2,325. Another one. 44 times 67. Remember, you can take this 6 out. Just remember what it is. So 4 times 7 is, good, 28. Your 8 comes here. Your 2 we're going to regroup. So 4 times 7 is, we know because we just did it, is 28, plus that 2 is 30. Now we're going to take our 7 out of there, and we're going to put our 6 back. And this is where I always say, it's nice if you get rid of that. It makes it a lot easier, then you don't get confused, and I'll show you why. But remember, this is in the 10 spot, so I need my 0. 4 times 6 is, good, 24. Put my 2. Now, this one would have been okay because your other one, I believe, up there was a 2. But let's say that other one was a 3. Now you're confused at what number to use. So I always tell my kids, get rid of it. 4 times 6 is, good, 24 plus 2 is 26. Now we add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4, good, 9. Good, 2,948, and you can even make Oscar the Grouch happy. What up? Now, you can just do it without moving numbers. You know, just 7 times. You just go first from 1s to 1s, just like we did before, and then it comes over here. So this is just, we've done this exactly before. Okay, so if I'm going to keep it the same, I'm just going to go 7 times 4 is, good, 28, put the 2 up there. 1 times 4 is, 4 plus 2 is 6. I'm going to get rid of this 2. Now I'm going to go to my 10. 7 times 2 is, remember I got to put my 0. 7 times 2 is 14, good. Put my 1 up there. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Now I add, I get 8. Good, 10 and 4. So this is Mr. Ralph's teaching 3.5. Join me next time as I teach 3.6. Have a good day.